आप लोग चलो। Guys, today I have come for the Christmas in Mahagun Metro Mall, which is just next to my house, and I have come with my daughter because she was getting bored. So this is the Mahagun Metro Mall, and you can see how it's been decorated. Just a short tour to the Mahagun Metro Mall. So you can see my little one. She is standing near the escalator. Escalator के पास खड़ी है विशारदा, planning to go upstairs और अपने मुंह में डाल रही है अपना मास्क. And you can also see the beautiful Christmas tree at my back. And most of the shops have been closed because I am late, little late. It's around 9:15 in the evening, and we are just going to have a short tour and see how the Christmas is looking like in the mall. So guys, you can see the Christmas tree at my back, and most of the people are taking a picture near the Christmas tree. And but this is very, very less crowded because of the COVID. I can see the COVID clearly. So this is the mall. You can have the overview of the mall, and this is the little girl. So she is in the mall. So you can see Visharda is taking turns and enjoying herself near the Christmas tree. So we are on the ground floor of the Mahagun Metro Mall, and here is Visharda taking turns near the Christmas tree. Guys, the COVID impact is clearly visible in the mall. Most of the swings are closed, and little Visharda is upset because she wanted to do the swings. We have the McDonald's in front of us. Just in front of me I can see McDonald's, which is beautifully decorated. So this is a Reliance Trend. Then we have Madame, and then other showrooms. Most of the showrooms have got closed. Reason being I'm a little late. So guys, I am now on the second floor of the Mahagun Metro Mall, and let me show you how the Christmas tree is looking from the second floor. So this is the view from the second floor of the Christmas tree, and this is the entire view of the Mahagun Mall, which is the nearest mall to my house, just across the road. So I do most of the shopping here. So I wanted to cover the Mahagun Metro Mall. It's a nice mall. It has good outlets. It has Shoppers Stop. It has Madame. It has Mochis. And it has Lifestyle. Pretty good number of outlets are there. I do most of the shopping from And. I do shopping from W, and they have good collection. So hope you guys like the Mahagun Metro Mall, and you can consider coming here if you are not getting chance to visit Mall of India. So it's not that big like Mall of India, but again it's not very crowded. So you can consider this, especially in amidst of this COVID. And it has PVR also on the top floor, and then you can also have a look at. You can see there's a fun station for the kids also on the top floor. This is little Visharda roaming here and there and trying to enjoy the mall. She's trying to explore the things because she has come out of the house after a long time. So that's the impact of COVID on the young child. You can see she's on her own trying to enjoy. She has tried to put hands in her pocket, and she's running, and I'm trying to follow her. Have a look at the cinemas that I was talking, and the fun station that's here. So there's a BU Natural, and then Xiaomi. BU Natural is a salon, and then Xiaomi, then Gitanjali salon is also there. So this is the view, Sarovar. This is the back of Sarovar portico. This is precisely the cinemas that I was talking about, and I am on the top floor of the Mahagun Metro Mall. So I am going down the escalators and giving you the topmost view of the Mahagun Metro Mall. So this is the topmost view of the Mahagun Metro Mall. We are in the lift of the Mahagun Metro Mall. You can see we are going on the second floor, and so that's it about the Mahagun Mall. That's all I can show you in my vlog for the Mahagun Metro Mall. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you enjoyed this tour. Bye bye.